कोई भी निशान नहीं कि कहीं खरोच हो या कि इस वजह से पागल हो गया, ऐसा कुछ
नहीं
भी
देखिए
नहीं।
कोई वजह नहीं होती है। पॉइंट सिर्फ यही है कि अगर हम रेबीज डॉग के लिए भी इस चीज़ को एनकरेज करेंगे ना, तो मतलब ठीक है, आप सेफ रहो, आप पुलिस को फ़ोन करो, आप नगर निगम को फ़ोन करो, मतलब
वहाँ पे अंकल
तो वो लोग डंडा उठा रहे थे,
बगल में ही रहते हैं, जिनका घर यहाँ पे दुकान में लगे, उन्होंने कहा था कि हमें फोन किया था आज 10 बजे आने वाले, मालूम नहीं।
लोग ये बता रहे हैं डंडा लेके मार रहे थे उसको। तो आप लोग एक बार नगर निगम से कनेक्ट करिए पहले, क्योंकि वही लोग आएंगे, वही लोग करेंगे। आप लोग का नंबर मतलब यहाँ बहुत पब्लिक इकट्ठा हुई थी। आप अपने वेटनरी ऑफिसर का नंबर दीजिए, आपको बात करना है। वेटनरी ऑफिसर का रोका था, अब नगर निगम से
Well, it was 5:30 in the evening that I happened to cross this way. This is a Sterling Road and between Shreya Apartments and Sterling Apartments. और जब हम यहाँ पर आए तो the moment I parked my vehicle, I saw 15-20 people. उन सब के हाथों में डंडा था, हॉकी स्टिक्स थी, and they all were driving away, chasing away a dog, right? उसको मारने के लिए. Somehow I made them stop that and I just said आप ये नहीं करेंगे. That is illegal and that is unlawful. I will not allow you to do that. Somehow I happened to control them. Then I called up Mr. Anand Kumar Mishra, who is a resident of Shreya Apartments. After that, I contacted some newspapers. Then of course Nagar Nigam was contacted. Finally I contacted Neha, and through her I contacted Vanshika ji. She's running her Raksha NGO here in Prayagraj. And finally after waiting for 3 hours, the police has arrived and we are waiting for Nagar Nigam vehicle to come so that हम उस डॉग को रेस्क्यू कर लें, क्योंकि मुझे नहीं लग रहा है कि वो पागल है जैसा सब बता रहे हैं। वो पागल है, लोगों को काट रहा है, बिकॉज जब आप उसे चेस कर रहे हो तो वो भाग रहा है अपने आप को बचाने के लिए, विच आई थिंक इट्स अ साइन ऑफ सेन माइंड. I would like to call Vanshika ji here just to say, Vanshika, as I said that we contacted Raksha NGO. Vanshika ji is here, she is running that NGO. So Vanshika, what we are going to do, because they were chasing this dog and I trust me, I believe I was sent by God here. He was saved, otherwise they would have killed him. क्योंकि हम ये नहीं देखते हैं कि वो अगर कुत्ता है तो वो क्यों काट रहा है. भाई क्या आपने उसे मारा था? तो वंशिका, व्हाट्स द नेक्स्ट प्रोसेस? अब क्या हम करने वाले हैं?
So we, like, after trying a lot of times to call 112, finally now 112 is here. So we have contacted Nagar Nigam. They will be sending people to catch the dog, because I personally don't feel that's a rabid dog, because that's not aggressive. It might be defending itself, but it's not at all aggressive or attack, because we are standing here, he's inside the
absolutely
apartment. He crossed us so many times, but he never attacked us, which means he's not a rabid dog. All right, but obviously, because if we leave him here, people will kill him, because they don't see if it's right or wrong, if the dog is rabid or not. They will just kill him,
and they have no right to kill the dog. That is
nobody
the
has a right to kill that dog, especially if it doesn't have rabies. So now we are waiting for Nagar Nigam. Once they come and they pick this dog up, we'll keep him in our shelter to keep a watch on him, mostly because of 2 reasons. Firstly, because we'll monitor on why he's being aggressive, or is there something wrong, or
तो वंशिका ये है कि अगर वो पागल है कि नहीं, वो भी हम medically that has to be proved.
Exactly. There is a test. There is a test to prove if the dog is rabid or not. If the dog is rabid and it's proven by the test, and a veterinary doctor properly certifies that dog to be rabid only, then he can be euthanized with following a proper procedure by only by certified doctors, by nobody else. Or that dog needs to be kept in a confinement for 10 days, within which a rabid dog always dies. So if it's a rabid dog, it will obviously die within 10 days. And that doesn't mean, also to add on, that doesn't mean that if a dog dies within 10 days, it's a rabid dog. There might be other reasons. There might be a head injury. There might be some infection in his brain. It might be some psychological issue because people were harming him. It can be anything, which we cannot totally, confirm unless and until you do a test and it's proven positive.
Absolutely. So we are waiting. We are waiting, and somehow once it's rescued and it's taken in the cage, of course, I guess you will take good care of him. And Raksha is there for Raksha. But please, please, be humane, be kind to animals. वैसे भी mankind बहुत ज़्यादा suffer कर रहा है. So I just hope
maybe it's time we need to, show humanity to the other species
and
now.
correct our karmic actions. Thank you so much. #Feed an animal a day. #Save an animal. And if you cannot save, just don't beat them. We have no right to kill or to take a life. Thank you so much.